All right, so sometimes you're going to be given a problem that doesn't have a whole number in it. It could have a decimal, it could have a fraction. We solve it the same way. So we're going to compare the people that use TikTok and Snapchat. So let's say 12 and a half people use TikTok and 25 use Snapchat. So yes, I know half of a person can't use TikTok. Just work with me. So we're going to look at relationships or reducing. Now, there is a way to reduce 12 and 5/10 and 25, but you probably can't see it. If you can, great, use it, but I'm going to show you the other way. So here there is a definite relationship between 25 and 500. So whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator. So 25 times what is 500? Well, 25 times 4 gives us 100, but we need 5 of those hundreds. So 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 times 5 equals 500. And then whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator, and I would come down here and I would actually do that math. And I move my decimal over one place, so I move it over here. So x would equal 250. Okay? Well, if you notice the relationship, 12 and a half is half of 25. So it makes sense that 250 is half of 500. Doesn't matter what you're given, a decimal or a percent, you can solve them all using the same format. So let's look over here. Let's get another example. So let's say our known is 3 4/5 over, let's do 15. And then we're going to do 90 is our, we've done a lot of where we don't know. Let's do the unknown. No, let's go with 90 here. So this is what we're solving. All right. So here we go. So never start with it as a fraction. That doesn't help us at all. We need to convert this mixed number into a decimal, which is super simple. So we have a whole number of 3, but we need this 4/5 to convert. And if you remember how to do that, it's dividing the denominator into the numerator, so it would be 0.8. So we can rewrite it as 3.8 over 15 equals 90 over, sorry, I'll finish. 90 over x, and this is just like the last problem we solved. We find out the relationship. Well, 15, if I skip count my 15s, I've got 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, and 90, so that would be 6. So we would multiply by 6. 3.8 times, 8 times 6 gives me 48, 18, 22. Move the decimal over one place, move the decimal over one place. X equals 22 and 8/10.